Today I got for you the new 9360 from T-Mobile USA and also from other carriers worldwide. We're going to unlock the phone today. It's a very simple process, and the very first thing you're going to want to do is boot up the phone with your new SIM card, and when you do that you'll see here your current SIM card requires an unlock code. You want to do it? We're going to hit no actually because that glitches a lot, and we're going to show you how to do it the real way here. And you can also do it this way without a SIM card. So I have my AT&T SIM in this phone, and the very first thing I'm going to want to do is to go up to the top where the time is, click it, bring it down to all off right here. So we got all the connections off. And when we do that, it'll say off up in the corner. Boom, there we go. The next thing you're going to want to do is get your IMEI, and you're going to do that by dialing star pound 06 pound. So I'm going to do that right now. Star pound 06 pound. And when done correctly, you get this 15-digit IMEI. Alright, you're going to want to write that down, copy it, and then you're going to head on over to unlockthatphone.com. We have our drop-down menus where you select the carrier of the phone. In this case, it's T-Mobile. The manufacturer is Blackberry, and the model is the 9360. And then you put your IMEI right into this line here and hit Unlock Now. The turnaround times and the price are all displayed there on the website for you. And just remember, this is not just specifically for T-Mobile, it's for this model, so it could be from a different country, different carrier. Not a big deal. So once you do that and hit Unlock Now, you're going to check out, and then we'll email you the code, and you will see here an email from us with the code and also a link to this video you're watching now, as well as some other quick things. So once you got the code, we're going to go back over to our phone, and we're going to go to, let's close this. So I have to pick up the phone to do this. We're going to go to all. That pops that open right there. Okay, and once we're there, we're going to go down to the options. Once we're in options, we're going to go down to device. In device, we're going to scroll it on down to advanced system settings, and then finally to SIM card. Okay, so now I'm going to do this. We're going to have to get up all the information on the phone here. So to do that, we're going to type MEPD, Mary Edward Paul Daniel. So let me do that right now. MEPD. And then when done correctly, you're going to see here that the network is active. That means the phone is still locked, and in certain other countries they might lock the service provider, but here in the US we don't lock those. So now we're going to go ahead and do the unlock, and to do that we have to bring up the box asking for the code. So to do that we type MEP2, and we do this all while holding the Alt key. So so it's a little difficult with one hand, but I'm going to go ahead and try it here anyways. I'm actually going to put it onto my desk so it doesn't wobble around. So I'm going to hold the Alt key and type MEP2. Alright, and then when done correctly, you get the box here. It says enter network MEP code 10 left. 10 is a reference to the tries. So I'm just simply going to inject the unlock code I got here. So it's, give me 1 second here. 6188932 5391 5391 4867 867, and then I'm just going to hit the trackpad. Code accepted. And then you'll see here the network is now inactive, which means the phone is unlocked. I'll hit the end call here. I'll show you that it's working. I'm going to scroll all the way up to the time here again and restore the connections. And then just give it a second. Once that's done, you'll see here it'll pick up AT&T. So you can get it running on any other GSM provider you want in the world as well. It doesn't need to be AT&T, but here in the US that's the other big one. So there we go. It's starting to pick up signal. And in a second you'll see it's going to say AT&T here on the top of the screen once it's done connecting to the network. And let's see here. It's trying to make the connection. It's trying to switch over, so just give it 1 second. Let's see here. I'm in a good AT&T area, so let's see what's going on. Just give it a second. There we go. It's picking it up now. It's figuring it all out. There we go. AT&T running on the Blackberry 9360 from T-Mobile USA. Real quick recap, guys. Dial star pound 06 pound on your phone. Go to unlockthatphone.com. You'll get your code. you go to your phone, device, the SIM card menu, MEPD, MEP2, all while holding Alt, punch the code in, and you're rocking here. So thanks guys, appreciate your business as always.